Can you see me? Can you hear me? Okay. Remember that day when somebody just randomly popped up and showed up in your life and said, today is the day that you're going to design the rest of your life. You're going to create the freedom, income, and impact that you've always dreamed of. And you're actually going to do it? Okay, well today is that day. And I'm that person. You have the power to design your life and to change the world and to create the freedom, income, and impact you've always desired. Do I need to say it again? You can do this, and I can help. There are so many things that you can start doing right now, today, to take action, to start changing your life. Comment below and let me know the best ways that I can help you, what I can do, and what you're struggling with, because I am here for you 100%. I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.